we are going to briefly tell you about the KF Bio batch reader system. It's used in the cassette recognition, and it's also used prior to going into the tissue processor to give an accurate account of what is actually going into the processor. It will also do a comparative of the cassettes that are going in the processor with what you have already key punched in during your accessioning. So again, this is the KF Bio cassette recognition system. The model is a KF ARC-300. The 300 is indicating that it can scan up to 300 cassettes at one time. Whether you have a round cassette basket for a round chambered tissue processor or a rectangular basket, it will scan either. And once you place these cassettes onto the deck of the batch reader, it is a very simple transaction. By pressing a button in less than 5 seconds, we now have accountability that actually puts it onto a template, recording each one of these QR codes as well as patient information that is on each cassette. Then it will easily upload to an LIS system with one press of a button. So step one on the batch reader would be to select your template that you want to import. And we have a template already built. It's an Excel spreadsheet. And we will select that and merely press the open button. And now the system is actually waiting for the cassettes to be inserted onto the platform. So we're going to use these cassettes today. We're going to set these down on the platform. Underneath the platform is a catch tray. So if you had to pull these out of formaldehyde to place on here, that's not a problem. We have a catch tray for those droplets that may fall. And then this is actually a foot pedal that would be normally located down at the operator's feet, and they can easily press the yellow recognition button. Upon doing that, you can see it only takes a matter of a few seconds, and now you have a colored display along with a menu showing what these colors represent. The green indicates that it was a normal scan. It captured everything correctly. The orange is for recorded, meaning if you had to rescan because one of them failed, it's not going to re-record what's already been recorded. You have a purple for repeat, you have red for unregistered, and blue for unrecognized. So in this photo, we can, if you want to, zoom into it easily on the touchscreen display, and you can move it around to make sure everything went very well. Once you're done with that, you merely select the white button to submit it, and it's now going to send this data onto the LIS system. The next thing I'm going to show you is how the batch recognition system can actually show you a failure. If you look closely, you will see that one of the cassettes has been slanted to the left, to the right, doesn't matter, just it's not going to be recognized. So in the event an operator placed everything on there rather quickly and walked away and one of these fell out of place, this is what you would see. Again, you can press the yellow button or you can mash the recognition button that's on the screen to capture the image. Within 5 seconds, you have the image, and as we look over here, we'll blow it up for the viewers to see. You are showing purple, which indicates unrecognized. So immediately we now know, okay, we have to make an adjustment, and I can also press reset to bring my photo back. I need to make an adjustment for the cassette, and by hitting cancel, I can go and hit re-recognize again, and now you see that everything is green, including the one that was cocked sideways because we straightened it up. At this point, we can press submit and send that image and all its data onto the LIS system.